What we're going to do today is replace this factory radio with this new one, which is still a CD player but has Bluetooth and hands-free. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove the plastic piece around the gear shift, and then there's going to be 2 screws inside there that we're going to have to remove. So I'm actually going to do the first 2 steps with the battery still connected because I need to be able to move the gear shift, but then as soon as that's done, then I'll unhook the battery. For a total of 6 screws, there's 3 on each side, 2 of them holding the upper face, and then 1 on each side holding the box that holds the radio and the storage compartment. So I'm going to take out these screws, and then I'm going to take out the whole box. So I removed the radio. So this one has a little pin on the very top of it, so you have to push down on top of that pin and slide it off the little bar. And this other harness has the pin that you push right here, so push down on this one and slide out the whole white box. But this is on the underside of the radio as you look at it, so make sure you kind of flip it over so that you can get access, and then push this little pin down and it slides right out. My hands are pretty weak, so I had to use the drill to remove them. Now we're ready to separate the cubby. So it's going to go, the side facing the radio is going to be the side that has little flanges on it. So that side faces the radio, this side faces out. And so the new one that I bought from Crutchfield comes like this. And it has a few little screws that need to be taken off for shipping. And at Crutchfield, it's awesome because if you spend an extra $25, they'll include the harness for this car. This happens to be a 2006 Subaru Impreza, the 2.5i. And if you would like them, they will make the connections between the harness that fits your car, which is this white one, and the one that will fit the back of the new radio. And they have already color-coded all of the wires, and they have satisfaction guarantee on these. So I thought for 25 bucks, that saves me a little bit of time. And so I'm going to take off the rest of these packing screws, and then I'm going to attach the harness to the back of the radio, and then I'll put it back into the mounting bracket.